They say life slows down after 50. But what if I told you the most unexpected joy was waiting for us between a dosa stall, a sunset, and a scoop of ice cream? From Goa's restless charm to Udupi's quiet embrace, this ride wasn't just another road trip. It was a reminder that joy doesn't always come in grand gestures. Sometimes it hides in coconut groves and river crossings.
पूरा गोवा जो है वो फ्लाईओवर पे है. एंटायर गोवा, इफ यू लुक एट इट, वी आर ऑलमोस्ट ऑन फ्लाईओवर फ्रॉम पणजी. अभी गोवा में भी अगर तुम देखोगे, जितने भी गोवा रजिस्टर्ड कार्स है ना, दे विल बी प्रॉपरली फॉलोइंग द लेन. वो ओवरटेक नहीं करेंगे, एक के पीछे एक जाएंगे. अभी जब हम अभी आए थे, एक फोर्ड इको स्पोर्ट वाला रॉन्ग साइड से आया था, एकदम भर के आगे. ये सारे आउट ऑफ स्टेट वाले ही करते हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि रोड Kerala also same thing, because roads are single roads na, and accidents might happen. Until there is clear visibility, they will never overtake. एक ही लाइन में रखेंगे. अभी देखो, इसमें पूरा आपका देखेगा ना, इट इज ऑल व्हाइट लाइन. देखा, पूरा फुल स्ट्रेच है, विच इज यू आर नॉट सपोज टू ओवरटेक. इन कोची 716, वेलकम टू कैनाकोना.
Out of nowhere, a tiny dosa vendor appeared by the side of the highway, the only oasis for miles. After hours of nothing but asphalt and mirages, even the simplest dosa felt like a 5-star feast. And believe me, hunger turns crispy batter into pure poetry.
वापसा से आ रहे हैं कि इधर भी जगह ही नहीं है खाना खाने का. हाईवे पे है ना. हाँ, वो पूरा हाईवे है ना, कुछ दिखता नहीं है.
That roadside dosa, unexpected, simple, felt like an oasis on a hungry highway. It's funny how the smallest meals become the biggest memories when the road forgets to feed. As night fell, we reached MTR in Udupi, where dinner came served with a side of history. During World War II, when rice ran scarce, MTR didn't stop. They created the Rava Idli, a dish born from necessity, now a legend on every plate.
मैं इसी के ऊपर ड्रोन उड़ाने की बात कर रहा था. अब same here. So we are just on the beach.
As the road narrowed, the world seemed to open up. No honks, no rush, just trees swaying like old friends and a sky learning to breathe again.
टाइमिंग है सूरज? 2 o'clock. Perfect.
चले वॉक करें थोड़ा.
The sun didn't set, it whispered goodbye. A reminder that some of the most beautiful moments ask for nothing but your silence. Even the crab knew when one home ends, another begins. On this road of small goodbyes and new hellos, my next stop wasn't planned, but it was sweet and it was waiting. Layers of ice cream, jelly, fruits and nuts. The Udupi Gadbad isn't just a desert. It's pure, delicious chaos in a glass. And then the moment. An ice cream so big, even my childhood got jealous. It wasn't just dessert. It was a joy in a cup. Cold, sticky, and absolutely perfect. We spend our lives chasing big dreams, careers, milestones, checklists. But sometimes the soul just needs a good road, a warm dosa, and a melting ice cream. At 50, I am not slowing down. I'm just learning to taste life, one simple joy at a time.